Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews. I'm here today to do a review for Thread Beast. I just got my first package in, and it's been over a year since I subscribed with them. And since I'm not balling as much as I would like, I had to go with the Essential package, which still gives you 4 to 5 different items in each package. So take a look, see what it is. I'm really eager to see what's in here because definitely I am hurting for some new clothes right now. So let's see what we got in here. All right. Dun, dun, dun. All right. So first thing is Southern Tide. Looks like it is a button down, a long sleeve button down. So I guess in other places outside of LA, it's gonna be starting to get cold, and a button down would be the thing that you would probably need and want. I run a little hot usually, so it's gonna be a little while until I'm able to really rock this. Let's see what else we got here. All right, so we got a nice black pair of pants, Taylor Vintage. Take a look at that right there. All right, this is slim fit. Ooh, I'm not a small guy, so we're gonna see how these slim fits really fit, because that's not a good look for a thicker guy like me. All right, so this right here is by the brand Roan. Just a plain gray t-shirt. Yeah, this will look good on me. And let's see, ooh, I see something I like. Okay, so here we got some Levi's. Can never go wrong with some Levi's. Definitely in my waist size. Highball roll. All right, this might be, ooh, these look a little high. So that means that my ankles is gonna be showing. I don't know, I'm a little bit on the hood side for some showing my ankles, but we're gonna see how that works too. And I'm gonna try all these on so that you guys get to see what they look like. And so far that's 2 pair of pants. I got 1 t-shirt and 1 long sleeve shirt, and I have another t-shirt right here. Let's see. So this is, I don't know, it's just got a teddy bear on it. I guess it's brand name Grizzly. Just a nice little black tee with the print on the front. Looks pretty cool. Good quality stretchy shirt. Looks good there. And I really do like this t-shirt already. You know, my fraternity, we do a lot of fatigue type wear. So a Levi's shirt with the camo print, I'm really digging that. So yeah, last but not least, some ankle socks, Champion ankle socks. All right, so that's it. It's a really cool package. I'm really happy with it. You know, for spending $85, I don't think you can go wrong with it. You know, most Levi jeans alone, they'll run you around 40 bucks. And just thinking about, I got 2 pair of pants, I got 3 t-shirts, a long sleeve shirt, as well as these socks. So I'm pretty sure the total value of this package definitely has to be closer to like $200. So I'm really feeling like I made a really wise decision to subscribe again to Thread Beast. It really fits my style. You know, there's a bunch of different subscription brands out there that, you know, would deliver clothes to you. And, you know, I'm just a little bit more on the urban side. So some of those prep-wear clothes just don't really work for me. So I'm really happy about it. Stay tuned and I'll show you how all these outfits look. This right here, the cutoff short pants, not really my style, but you know, my style personally is pretty lame. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm sure my girl will like them, but you know, it's a nice little fit. Luckily I'm planning on losing a little bit of weight. Been working out, riding my bike. So probably give me another month and I'll try this on again. But pants fit a little weird in the crotch area right here. Not able to really breathe. The shirt is pretty small for extra large, but you know, you get used to shirts and you stretch it out a little bit. Either way it go. I mean, it's a nice outfit in theory, but you know, we'll see. On to the next. All right, so this is another extra large, which is what I'm more or less used to as far as the fit of an extra large. That one right there is just small. So we're gonna see how that works. But again, pants, they're 38s. You know what I'm saying? There ain't gonna be none of these. They be split. I don't know. We're gonna see. I might have to call and see if I can exchange these pants out because I don't like them at all. All right, let's see. Next outfit. All right, we got the black pants and the gray shirt. Pants are a little tight, they're a little snug, but they do stretch, and I don't feel like I'm wearing leggings like some of these dudes. I don't feel like I need to sag them and show my ass. So I could definitely see myself keeping these, but them little jeans with my ankles showing, I think them gotta go. But the t-shirt fits good, very nice, soft cotton, feels good. Thumbs up on this one. All right, so this last fit put together like this. Got my Nipsey blue button down, black pants. I actually like this. I think I can wear this on a regular basis, especially when it gets cooler in the winter months. Luckily here in LA, it's not really always a situation where you need to wear a jacket. This long sleeve shirt will definitely come into some use. So overall, I'm very happy. Out of all the t-shirts, as well as this button down and these black pants, I'm very happy. I am not so confident in those jeans, but I am gonna call Thread Beast and see what they can do for me. Maybe if I got them in a size up, which would be a 40, just because jeans like those just tend to kind of run a little bit small. You know, I just can't get any room in the crotch area, you know what I'm saying? If I can't do one of these, you know, I just can't really see myself doing it. I don't know. I don't even know why I just did that, but just wanna let you know, please like, subscribe, do all those good things. Share the video with anyone that might be interested in Thread Beast. Check the link below to a link to Thread Beast if you're interested in signing up. And if you got any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. But just remember, like, subscribe, and share, all that good stuff. Thank you.